How do you get dressed with ease? Here's a tip. Join my online program, How to Curate a Wardrobe You Love. This program is going to walk you through the process of making powerful decisions. Decisions that when you make them once, it will reduce the amount of decision fatigue that is involved in getting dressed on a daily basis. Here's an example of making a powerful decision once. 8 years ago, I decided to only wear pearl earrings. That one decision has made getting dressed so easy. Pearls go with everything. Pearls always look great. Pearls are wonderful for me and my personal style. Pearls have reduced the decision process of which earring should I wear today. Wearing pearls means I don't have to find earrings to match what I wear. Now, this decision may not be one that you want to choose, but I hope it inspires you to use your imagination. Is there a decision you can make once that will make your process of getting dressed so much easier? I dare you to decide once on something that will make the process of getting dressed so much easier.